This video today is not about my succulents or about my laptop. It's about this. Oh my gosh, you all, I can't even tell you how excited I am today because the post office was telling me that this box had been lost. Could not find it anywhere. I'd ordered these paints three and a half weeks ago, and they just had not shown up. They thought they were misdelivered. They couldn't trace them. But look what showed up today. Winner, winner. Look at these colors. You guys, look at this. 60 of these paints. And each tube is 22 milliliters, which is 0.74 ounces. And each of these tubes is like 3 inches long. When you're using them with the medium that I'm using them in is flow acrylics, going to be mixing them with pouring medium to get them to a right consistency to do the pours. And I'm understanding that the ratio is about 10-to-1 most of the time to get these paints to be able to flow well. Look at these colors. You guys, they are absolutely stunning. Those yellows, look at these blues. Wow. I can't wait to try these. Gosh, that Prussian blue is gorgeous. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm so excited. I didn't even set anything up in here with proper lighting probably, but look at these greens. These are gorgeous. I don't paint a lot with green, but fall is coming up, and I have really been inspired by a couple of artists with some of the types of pours that they're doing. Everything from injection pours to swipes and balloon kisses. These fall colors, these browns are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. It's like a kid in a candy store right now. I'm so excited. I haven't been well, and the past really 3 weeks, maybe even longer, I haven't been able to do much of anything, and I apologize. I had just started my YouTube channel and was really hoping to start jacking it up and getting some stuff out there and working hard, and I ended up back down on not up on 2 feet, kind of flat of my back for a little while, but I promise I will get to mixing and get to painting, and I'll be sharing everything that I'm working on and doing with you guys. And I really want to thank you. I had some really, really lovely comments about some of the stuff that I've been trying to do. I've been communicating with several artists about styles and the things that you can do with this medium. I was always a traditional painter in watercolors and regular acrylics, and had never heard of this style of painting until I got sick, and I was literally just cruising YouTube, filling up time, and found all of your work out there, and the body of work out there is massive. I was just so impressed and so inspired. Stepping away from a career of 25 years to get well was not an easy task for me to do, and this gives me something to do with my hands and my heart because I really have a passion for artwork. And I hope that I can share that with you guys and that somebody will be somewhat inspired by what I'm doing, hopefully. I think it's about sparking joy. I think it's about finding a passion, something that you want to do, that you enjoy, and this is part of it. These colors are inspiring, and I can't wait to get started. Thank you, Arteza, for sending them to me. They had sent me a wonderful discount coupon that I was able to use, and let's get to pouring, you guys. I will see you soon. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye.